Is it real?
That's silk. Do you know what plant this is? We encountered them in Hawaii.
Bird of paradise.
Bird of paradise. There you go. But it's silk.
How's that?
You left it in my hand. I'm gonna drink it.
From the Duck and Buck pub.
It's the hoof and claw.
It's the cock and bull.
No, that's you.
No, we just two guys.
I hate when that happens. I didn't
All
bring
the
a bow
cool
tie.
guys they got bow ties.
So you're saying I'm not cool because I don't have a bow tie on?
You bet you. Yep. That's what I'm saying. That's absolutely what I'm saying.
I wore my first tie in probably 2 years, literally a week and a half ago.
I gave all my slacks, shirts, and everything to my brother. All my ties and everything.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have much occasion.
You don't
to
wear
dress
ties
up.
often?
No.
I have ties.
Well, he's he's retired now. A phys ed teacher. Yeah.
So he had to dress every day.
Well, usually, all the phys ed shorts.
Yeah.
Shorts and a tie?
Well, the
Right.
2
Which
years.
is kind of what I did during COVID.
Yeah, the last 2 years he was there, they said, no, we got to dress. More or less dress to impress.
Yeah.
So he had to start wearing everything. Then he changed into his shorts.
Oh,
and
thank you.
School.
Was that an onion roll?
And he really didn't have very many, so
Really?
I gave him all that I
Here's
had.
some bread.
Yeah, I just
I
don't,
don't eat
have
bread,
an occasion
but
to
I'm
dress
eating
up very
breakfast.
often.
I always figured a
Carrot
nice
cake
pair of
and
pants,
peach straw.
decent shirt,
Peach
Yeah.
shortcake.
good enough.
Yeah.
You don't like peaches.
I'm not a peach person. That's no contest. Carrot cake's winning 100% of the time.
All right,
There's
so
not even.
maybe
You don't
I'll-
even run
maybe you
odds
get
on
the
the rest
carrot
of
cake
that.
and I'll get the peach, so I can have a little of your carrot cake.
Fine.
They do have a good carrot cake.
Kent's selling it.
I had
I'm
it
never
for
gonna
lunch
argue with
today.
carrot cake.
You had the
Good.
carrot cake for lunch.
Yeah.
See, I saw that. I saw the pistachio cake they had at lunch. We didn't have lunch. We had Windjammer. But that pistachio cake looked pretty good. She wasn't so into it, but
The cookies were nice. The
Who's
oatmeal
right?
cookies were very good. Highly recommend.
I forgot your friend's name. Is she coming tonight?
Jane, she is. She went up to the room to get the wine. So
Oh, that's right.
I'd seen her earlier this morning.
Jane is
Yeah.
on the run.
she's on the run.
Did y'all sing today? We didn't hear anything. I sat
Actually, we
outside. I
did.
heard nothing.
We did this afternoon. We did
During our
sing
nap,
a little
probably.
bit.
Could have been nap time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a little too windy to sit out on the balcony and do it, so we did it in the room.
So Kirsten sat. So we figured out that if you sit this way with the ship, you feel it. If you sit this way, horizontal,
I
perpendicular.
don't know. As long as I'm horizontal,
To
it's
the ship.
better.
Welcome back.
I like. What is it? When we were in Italy, you had lamb. Didn't you have lamb?
I had lamb wherever we go.
Oh.
I had a lamb stew when we were in Liverpool. Did I have lamb in Italy?
A friend of mine's stepdad used to raise them. And every time I went over there, it was lamb chops.
Yeah,
Every
I've had
time.
lamb chops in Syracuse
Oh,
at
they're
at Stanley's restaurant.
Oh, Stanley Tucci's restaurant.
Yeah, it's not.
It is Stanley Tucci. I swear he's Stanley Tucci.
He's not. His
He
name's
is.
Peter.
No, Peter. That is
That's
his
his alias, so he can
That
live in
Peter's
Syracuse.
Stanley's alias is Peter.
No.
What's
I
the
made
name of
a
the
lot
restaurant
of
again?
Fresh farm raised
Nestico.
beef and
Nestico.
Nobody else is going to go there. 'cause
I'm
they're
going to
not
tell you,
here.
at Nestico's in Syracuse,
Yeah.
Stanley Tucci owns it,
No.
but his alias is Peter.
All right. Well, you start some sort of
Start something on a. Yeah, I'll start a rumor about that.
yeah.
I mean, hell, they remembered us after a year. I
They
mean,
remembered you
because he's Stanley Tucci.
as you carry on.
Who, me?
Yeah.
You think?
Yep.
No.
Used to it. When we were out there and you started looking for me and the guy looked around, I'm like, I'm right here. I'm like, I lose him, he comes back. I lose him again, he comes back again.
I'm like a puppy. when we travel and like when we're just do traveling and walking through a city and doing photography, I just wander off.
I tend to do that as well. And then I'll stand still and wait for him to show up.
She literally has this dog whistle.
I do
thing
have
she
a
does.
special whistle that he will turn his head and I can find him like that.
Yeah, ears
He's
go
like,
up the whole 9 yards.
Oh my God, it works. I go, I don't have a system. If I stand still, you'll end up somewhere near me eventually. I did lose you at the Pantheon or something for about a half an hour. You were concerned.
Yeah.
There was a bunch of carved heads on the ground. I got excited and wandered around and took pictures of them all.
Carved
awesome.
heads, huh?
Yeah, I was
Oh
like,
yeah. Have you been to Paris? Have you been to
No.
Paris? So the best place, hands down best place. She chose it because she chose it.
I
She
chose it.
She chose it. She
and
chooses
right after
everything.
that, I took grammatical lessons to teach you how to speak.
I'm still working on that.
Mm.
But she chose that we would go
Good
to.
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I bring gifts.
Hey, she's
The
all
waiter was
sunflower.
concerned that
And look,
you
she has
weren't
an HEB bag. Oh my goodness! Look, HEB. See,
HEB.
we went to an
Place to be.
HEB.
Yeah.
We almost bought for the trip
What?
the big thing we bought for we were going to buy it, the big fruit. The big.
So the
the
waiter
jackfruit.
upstairs.
We were going to buy a jackfruit for the
The waiter
trip.
upstairs. I kept saying, "Is this the Michelangelo? Because it looks different."
Oh, you went
He
upstairs?
says, "Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You sit here." Then the other guy came. What room number you in? Told him. He came back 15 minutes later. He says, "No, you're one more deck down." I said, "That's what I thought." Anyway,
Lovely. You're all sunflowery.
thank you.
You
Celebrating the Ukraine. Well, actually, I was trying to look over the edge, but you can't
Oh,
see.
is that a Ukraine? You got that in Ukraine, or is that a Ukraine?
No, just,
Oh.
just because.
Because we went to trivia today.
Oh, the trivia lady was
Yeah.
We
from the
kind of
Ukraine.
crapped out today. We did well yesterday. We did fairly well. We didn't
Which
win.
trivia did you do today?
The general trivia.
General.
Oh,
We
went
did the
to
landmarks.
Landmarks.
Oh, we
Oh.
thought about that one.
See, we did the general,
Yeah.
and then we needed to go outside for some oxygen.
I needed some
So we went to the
More
smoking deck. That wasn't so good. So
Yeah.
we just
Ah,
switched sides.
move around.
And then we were back getting ready. We're going to go back to the room to lay down a little bit. And they had the Elton John trivia.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So we
I saw
stood
that
by the
again.
elevator. I could have won that.
Yeah.
I could have easily won. Easily won
It
the Elton
really
John.
wasn't that tricky. And I am not even a huge Elton John fan, like
You just
person
saw
that
him.
I even know that. Yeah, I mean, I did see him in concert just a month ago, but
I
So
refuse
that's
to give
cheating. Yeah.
I guess. I mean, if
Cheater.
if I truly knew the names
Actually, I
of
saw
every
it
song,
upstairs. I'm all set.
you've already checked your boxes,
she's
huh?
already studied, and
I love
And I
it.
studied it while I was standing outside,
there you go.
talking to a little kid about what he was going to have. He's going to have the New York strip.
Oh. There's some tightly dressed little children here. I have to say.
Oh yeah, they look
I'm
pretty
so
sharp.
I'm kind of disappointed. I brought like glow sticks.
Oh, yeah?
I don't have no idea why I bought these things.
You got to throw them in the ocean and watch them.
No,
That
because
doesn't
if they
sound
see something,
environmentally
Right,
They
and
friendly.
see-
throw you overboard.
they
too.
see anything going overside, then they're going to stop the boat.
Ah.
And really, the only thing they're throwing overboard are children who ask a lot of questions. So we ran into a
understand.
mother today who really was
The kid was like, but this, but that, but that, but
Let's
that.
go
She's like,
to
I
the side
can't
of
with
the
you
ship."
anymore.
yeah. And then when we were up there this morning walking, it was so windy. This one kid wanted his picture taken by his mom. I'm like, that kid's name is Kite. I mean, he is just going over the
You
side.
let him go, he's off.
He's 45 pounds. He's going overboard.
That's right.
If he was that, yeah.
Kind of windy out there, so.
A
Yeah.
little blustery today.
Quite windy.
And this morning it was nice. It was like a little misty clouds, and it was mostly blue skies. But by this afternoon, it's all gray out
Okay.
there.
I'm gonna have the French onion soup,
How was your coffee?
It was
the
Mine too.
good.
tenderloin,
Two more.
Medium rare?
For a caramel macchiato
And the carrot
later.
cake.
so,
Oh, those are good.
yeah.
Thank you.
I'll have to get one.
You know what? Let me
Did you get the
have
extra caramel?
I'm sorry.
Did you
the
get the extra
iceberg
caramel?
wedge,
Yes, and
With
I
no
got extra
bacon.
espresso in there too.
please. And I'm
No
gonna have the
bacon.
herb crusted chicken, salmon.
I couldn't see that one because the
At
bread
least
was
medium?
blocking my view.
How old how did you
So I just went for the
Okay,
first
cook
thing
for-
that had a
okay.
lid.
And then I'll have the
There
peach
was an irate
shortcake.
man up there. He says, that table's not for 8.
Thank you.
And I go,